Now we've got some transformations. So I see between the cotangent and x, we have 1/2, so that's going to change our period a little bit. Remember, period is pi divided by b, and b is 1/2. If you are dividing by 1/2, you're really multiplying by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/2 would be 2. So our period is going to be 2 pi. So remember, we typically marked every other spot, and then 4 lines over we made as one cycle, one period. So this will be 2 pi. So if we were to chop that in half, we'd have pi over here. So now we're marking every pi units. So we have 3 pi, 4 pi. We could go negative. Now, this also changes where our asymptotes are, but if you kind of remember what we had going, we always had our asymptotes for cotangent at the y-axis, and then it was every single period. So typically a period was pi, so we marked it off at every pi, but now our period is 2 pi, so we're going to have asymptotes every 2 pi. The other transformation deals with that -3. So remember, that shifts everything in our graph down 3. So when we're finding the center, like at pi, we're going to shift it down 3 units, and this will be our center. Keep remembering, cotangent typically goes down and to the right. So we're going to go down 1, right 1. We're going to go up 1, left 1. And we'll just transfer that over and draw another cycle over here. And we could, shoot, we're so cool. We are so cool, we could just draw cotangent graphs in every little pair of asymptotes here. All right. Now, on the other ones, I haven't really talked about domain and range. Is that for any particular reason? No, I just forgot. But it's very similar to tangent. So domain, we can say all real numbers except, and then we do our little formula. And remember, our formula is you pick any one of your asymptotes. So let's say we picked 0. And you would write 0 plus k times the period. And our period was 2 pi. But we can clean that up a little bit. You don't write 0 plus anything. You just don't write the 0 plus. So k2 pi, we're going to just rewrite with the 2 in the front. So we'll say all real numbers except for 2k pi, where k is an integer. So that is the formula to represent every single asymptote. And then the range, it goes on forever vertically, so that'll be all real numbers. So make sure you pick an asymptote plus k times the period, okay? And a lot of times the asymptote is 0, so you don't even need to write the 0 plus part. So let's try one more super complicated one.